Have you heard of that story where they say that eagles, they generally would die at 30 years of age, but they go and they pluck their feathers out, they just break their beaks off, they take their nails out, and then all of the body rejuvenates itself, it all grows back, and basically they go on and live for another 30-40 years. Did you know that that story is actually a made up story? Did you know that that is a lie? It is one of the most commonly believed lies about eagles. There's actually no species in the world which does this. Of course, birds do molt and eagles do molt, but it's not that they would themselves break their beaks off and then everything would grow back and they would live for another 30 years. However, this majestic bird eagle has a lot of different things that it can teach us. And in this video, I'm going to just list down a few interesting things which I find about this majestic bird eagle. So let's get started. Hello everyone, I am Ajinkya and you are listening to the Be Productive series, where I make one video every day to help you guys to be more productive, to help you guys to be better versions of yourself, right? And today what I'm going to tell you is what are the life lessons we can learn from the majestic bird eagle. Now to start with, when we have small eagle birds, when we have eagle chicks, there's something very interesting that the parents do. When the birds have grown up to a sufficient size, when the birds have really grown up to a point wherein they should now start and get out and go out and fly off the nest, they remove all the soft things that are there in the nest. Now when a eagle makes a nest, they would generally put in their feathers, some amount of soft grass, some leaves, so that it becomes a good kind of bedding for their eggs and for the baby chicks. But when the baby birds are ready, the parents remove all of this thing and make the nest to be a place which is extremely uncomfortable to stay. And what this does is that it pushes the baby chicks outside of the nest, and they literally push them off. They make them fly forcibly, and gradually the eagles go out and learn flying. Now this is a very interesting thing. It tells us that we actually grow when we are out of our comfort zones. If we keep on staying in our comfort zones, we are not going to grow. And if we want to learn new skills, if we want to go ahead and have a growth trajectory in our life, we need to step out of all the comfort zones that we have built for ourselves. We need to throw out all the feathers and all the soft things that we have in our nests, and only then will we start growing. But there are a few other stories as well, few other things as well about this bird eagle, which are really interesting. You see, eagles do not fly in pack. Eagles do not fly with different birds together. Most commonly you're going to see eagles fly alone. So it's really important if you want to be elevated, if you want to be the best versions of yourself. At times you need to fly solo. At times when you are flying alone, you are actually more focused on things and you are actually more productive. They also, if you observe eagles as they fly, they have a very keen sight on their goal. If you watch some videos wherein they go and catch fishes, or wherein they go and catch some kind of prey, the complete focus that the eagle bird has in their flight, in the entire journey of their flight, is towards the goal, which over here can be a small prey animal, right? So that is how our focus should be. Our focus should really be so very strictly on our end goal, that we would only want to achieve it and we are not able to see any other obstacles around. And one very interesting thing that eagle do is that when storms approach, eagles are not the animals which you would generally see. If there's a big storm which is coming up, you're generally not going to see an eagle howl up in a place and try to save itself. It embraces the storm. It goes ahead and uses the storm to fly higher and higher. The eagles generally would go up and fly above the sky, above the clouds, where they can watch all of the turmoil which happens below, but they themselves would sail high. They would use this as an opportunity to fly even higher. So when there's a storm in your life, know that you can use it as an opportunity to fly even higher in your life. So those were a few lessons which I wanted to tell you today. Know that the next time someone tells you the story that in 30 years the eagles would die and they would take their beak off and then they would live for another 30 years, that's all fake. But then if someone tells you that, tell them that it was fake. But then do tell them that there are a lot of other things which the bird eagle does teach us, and all of the things that I just mentioned. I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Till then, tata, bye bye, sayonara.